Sharkbait thinks this is the comfiest, coziest bed ever, don't you? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all of my tips and tricks on making your bed the comfiest, coziest place in the world. So today's video is actually going to be partnered with Bedscapes. Bedscapes is a brand new American-based sheets and textiles company, and they produce all of their sheets right in New York City. And they don't use any chemicals, no GMOs, which is like such a big deal these days. They're available in two different finishes: percale, which is 300 thread count, and sateen, which is 350. So the difference between percale and sateen is the thread count and how the threads are like woven together. So if you choose percale, think of hotel crisp sheets. It's really, really cool. It doesn't let you get super hot at night. I personally like softer sheets, so I chose the sateen sheets. I just received it in the mail and it comes in like a nice package like this. First review, there's no funky weird smells and it's so nice and soft. Oh, I don't want to get makeup on it. So I have a special link for you down below which gets you 30% off, and use the discount code YouTube30. I don't receive any money for any of this. I don't get any kind of extra anything. So the discount code and all of this stuff is just for you guys. Like, I don't benefit from it in any way. So one question that I know everybody is like asking is, what is the purpose of a flat sheet? So you have your fitted sheet, which is what actually goes around and like hugs the bed, and then you have your flat sheet, which kind of like is like a sheet layer that you usually get all tangled up in between you and the duvet or your comforter or whatever. The flat sheet is designed to, one, protect your comforter from dirt and grossness. Two, it's supposed to keep you from getting too hot and too cold. And yeah, I actually really recommend it. I didn't think I ever needed a flat sheet. I was like, no, whatever. I get all wrapped up in it. But the trick is to actually make your bed properly, and then the flat sheet won't do that. So I will show you how to do that soon. We are no longer going to just pull things out of the package and throw them on our bed. One, washing things and drying it gets all of like the wrinkles out, and it just kind of will help your sheets like lay nicer, and then they can smell the way you want. So I'm so excited to try Glam Wash. This part is not sponsored. I just purchased this off of Amazon because I heard everybody talking about it. So Glam Wash is this scent booster that you put into your wash, and it's supposed to keep your sheets or whatever you wash it with smelling so nice for so long. It smells really good, and it's supposed to, like, the scent is supposed to last forever. Let's try it out.
A few moments later.
My entire apartment smells like that laundry detergent. It smells so good. I don't even know how to describe it. It's not too girly. It's girly, but it's not too sweet or floral. I don't know how to describe it, but I definitely like it. I think it's like a universal scent that everyone can agree on liking. As I get older, the things that I choose to invest my money in changes a little bit. So bedding is one of those things that I think you should really invest in. Think about it. You spend 6 to 8 hours per day laying in bed. How crazy is that? The closer things are to your body, the more you should consider paying for them. For example, sheets, bedding, things that are actually going to physically touch you, skincare, creams, lotions, your clothes, underwear, all those things. You should invest more money in buying quality items rather than a vase or a lamp or something that sits that you just look at from afar. So I thought that that was a really good, helpful tip. I think the sheets are done. Let's go throw them in the dryer. If you don't like to iron your clothes, make sure that you take them out of the dryer immediately after the buzzer goes off, because when they're still nice and warm, if you hang them up or put them out on your bed, the heat will help all the wrinkles come out. So time-saving life hack. Okay guys, I just took the sheets out of the dryer and they smell so good. Oh my gosh. I want to get these on the bed as fast as possible while they're still nice and warm so that they don't wrinkle. Guys, another way to make like your bedroom the comfiest, coziest place is to set the mood. I have my fairy lights up behind my bed and just look at how nice they look. And then my LifeX bulbs, I can dim them and it makes the whole room feel so nice and comfy, cozy. And then I can turn on my diffuser and my rock salt lamp, and just, it is a mood. One of my other recommendations on making your bed the comfiest, coziest place ever is to get a mattress topper, and not just any mattress topper. My mom bought it for my little brother and it's from Macy's. Guys, I have never in my life slept on anything nicer than this topper. I will find out the exact name and link it below. Wait for it to go on sale. So Macy's has like a huge mattress and bedding sale a couple times a year, and you can get this for like half off. Now, if you don't like super soft, it might not be the mattress for you, but it is like a 4-inch thick mattress topper, and it's like foamy and it slowly sucks to your body, and it is so nice. But you can throw this on top of any bed and it will just feel so nice. Let's start by setting the bed. Start by moving the cat. So when you're doing your flat sheet, make sure that you pull it up far enough and fold it over to where you're gonna fold your sheets on your bed, if that is how you set your bed. So I will have my comforters on top of it, and then I will fold the whole thing down to make a fold, and then put the pillows on top. And then what you're gonna do is come down here, tuck in the bottoms, and do the hospital corners on the bed, which I will show you how to do in a sec. Take it, tuck it under. So to make your hospital fold, you just pull out the sheet, take this extra stuff that's underneath, fold it in, and tuck it underneath the bed. So it's all that extra-ness. And see how like this lays nice now, and this is still tucked in, and then it hangs over nice. And then I tuck in a little bit extra so that it's not hanging out from the sides. I recommend getting silk pillowcases. I got these ones on Amazon, not sponsored. And I will leave the link below. And I think that this really nice light pink is like the perfect pop of color with my all white bed. Silk pillowcases are supposed to be really good for like your hair and for your skin and your face. This is just if you want to be a little extra like me. So if you've seen my Amazon favorites video, you will know that I am obsessed with this Lanespa all season down comforter. It is so soft and fluffy. It had amazing ratings on Amazon. It was like $49, I think. And it comes vacuum sealed, and you just keep shaking it out until it's fluffy. I've been getting so many comments on my videos about where I got my actual comforter, and I actually purchased it on Bed Bath & Beyond. It's from Anthropologie. If you go on the Bed Bath & Beyond website, the reviews for this is like 2 stars. And I was so worried when I first got it. But if you read the reviews, it says that this is not soft and it's not like a good comforter. And they're right, it's not. It's really just for pretty. So what I've seen a lot of hotels doing lately is they will have the sheet down, then they have some kind of comforter, and then they have a topper on top of it, and you can't even tell that it's not a duvet. I actually don't even like duvets because I kind of get all twisted and wrapped up in them, but if you set your bed this way where you tuck in your sheets and you tuck in your flat sheet and you have your bed sheets all layered together, I promise you will not get wrapped up in them. Okay, see how we folded it over and made it like, top is really nice, but you can already tell how welcoming and soft and cozy the inside is going to be. Then you just add your pillows. And then I like to go one step further and add like a cute little layer on top with a super gushy, nice blanket. Guys, everyone loves this bedspread and I cannot rave about it enough. It's just so nice. I love it so much. I think all I need now, I just need some kind of like accent pillow, like a fluffy pink one or something to go there. But for now, my bed is seriously my favorite place in the world, and it just has so many layers and it's so soft and comfy on the inside. I highly recommend trying out the layered versions. One last final tip that I have is to make your own DIY pillow sprays. So I did this with lavender essential oil and some witch hazel and filtered water, and then right before I go to bed I just spray it on my pillows and sheets. It is the icing on the cake. So if you're interested in seeing a DIY pillow spray video, leave a comment below and let me know. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.